Babita ma'am and my dear friend, first of all, great morning to all.
Great morning, Manna.
Myself Manna, today I am here to deliver a speech. My subject is Science, Chapter 6, and my topic is how things react with one another. Now, in this chapter, we are going to learn about firstly two types of changes. There are two types of changes. First is physical change and second one is chemical change. What is physical change? The change in which substances change due to its state, size and due to its property. See here example. Here is given ice in a container. If we melt ice, it change into water. Here state is change. What is change in this?
State.
Right. One more example like pieces like paper. If I cut paper into pieces, then its state and size both are changed. What are changed?
Shape and size.
Right. Shape and size both are changed. Now come to chemical change. Chemical change in the change in which one or more reactant, one or more substance react with each other to form a new substance. For example, photosynthesis, breathing. See here example of photosynthesis. Here chlorophyll present on leaves that absorb the sunlight. This is the process of photosynthesis by which plant prepare their food. Now let us talk about what is crystallization process. The process by which crystals of a substance get separated. This is the process by which crystal of a substance get separated. What are crystals? Crystals are the transparent particles that are of different size and shape. What are crystals? Crystals are of different size and shape. Now let us talk about what is rusting of iron. What is rusting of iron? If you put a iron nail in the contact of air, then on the iron nail, oxide layer be covered with iron rail, that is known as rust. What is rust? The oxide layer present on the iron nail is known as rust. Now how we can prevent rusting of iron? We can prevent rusting of iron by painting iron, by applying grease or oil on iron, we put iron nail in the contact of non-metals or by process of galvanizing. Now let's repeat it again. How we can prevent rusting of iron? By putting it with contact of non-metals, by painting on iron articles, by galvanizing process, by applying oil or grease on iron article, and by alloying it. Now see some changes happens during the chemical change. First is change of color. During the chemical change, some substances are associated with change in color. Its reaction is sulfuric acid plus zinc. If we add sulfuric acid and zinc, then sulfuric acid changed place from the zinc and it became zinc sulfate and hydrogen. Now formation of participate. Its equation is copper plus hydrogen is equal and the product are copper plus sulfuric. Let's talk about reactant and product. What are reactant? The substance that react with each other to form a new substance that are known as reactant. Here sulfuric acid and zinc, copper, hydrogen, carbon, sulfur, vinegar, baking soda. These are the reactant. Now what are product? The product, the substance that is formed after combining the reactant known as product. Like we combine sulfuric acid and zinc, our product is produced, that is zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. This is all about this chapter. I hope you will understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.